waiting for you. I don't mind waiting in your presence. It doesn't matter how long it takes, I don't mind waiting. I will wait right here for you, Jesus. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting on you, Lord. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting on the Lord. I don't mind wait. I know the burden is too much, but I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting, Jesus. I don't mind waiting, Jesus. I don't mind waiting. Some of you have been mocked, but we don't mind waiting. Because I know whatever it takes, it will come. He's always on time. He never late. And no man takes his glory. Some people want to say, I'm the one that helped you. And God wants to put those people aside. As soon as they remove their hand, then you will see the hand of God. Because no man share his glory with God. Hallelujah. So tonight you're going to say, I don't mind waiting. You're going to speak to that devil that I don't mind waiting. Devil, I don't care what you are doing, but I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. I will wait. I will wait on him. The waiting process is hard. It is bruising. I know some people are crying throughout the night. It is so heavy. But it says, my yoke is light. We're ministering to the Lord. I don't mind waiting. You are ministering to Jesus now. I don't mind waiting on the Lord. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting on the Lord. I don't mind. Yes, I don't mind waiting, Lord. I don't mind waiting on the Lord, because I know He's coming out of while. Yes, He will, yes, He will. Yes, He will come right on time. Because I know He will come right on time. Lord, I don't mind waiting. Lord, I don't mind waiting. Oh, I don't mind waiting on you, Lord. On the Lord. I don't mind waiting on you, Jesus. Yes, I don't mind waiting. Yes, I don't mind waiting, Jesus. I don't mind waiting on you. Oh, I don't mind waiting. Oh, yeah. Le amo, si le mai. I don't mind waiting on you, Lord. I don't mind waiting on you, Jesus. I don't mind waiting, Lord. Ask those people who are in ministry. Sometimes when I look at my pastor, Pastor Jerry, I say, Father, give him grace. Because the going, sometimes it gets tough. People betraying you here and there. It's as if nothing is happening, but I come to announce to you that something is happening. God is working on your behalf. Lift up your hands unto God. He's ministering to people right now. He's ministering. Some of you, this is your set time. This is your time. It is your moment. You know, when you speak to God, you allow him to speak back to you. Jesus, the Son of God, I believe in you. I believe in you. Jesus, my holy hope, I believe in you. I believe in you. Jesus, the Son of God, I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Jesus, my holy hope. Jesus, the Son. I believe in you. I believe. Jesus. You know the reason why I sing the song? Because some of you, the pain is too much that you are doubting in your heart. You have been doubting. You have been thinking, am I in the right place? Am I doing the right thing? All this prayer, is it not waste of time? And that is why we are singing that. Confess it today. Confess it in the face of the enemy, saying, Jesus, I believe in you. I believe in your presence. I believe in your promises. I believe in all that you say is in a word. I know it's coming to pass. I know surely it shall come to pass. I believe in you. Jesus, the Son. I believe in you. I believe in you. Let's lift up our hands unto him. Lord, if I find favor in your sight, for your glory, I will do anything for you, Jesus. Lord, if I find favor, let me find favor. Favor me as you favor Mary. Favor me, oh God. Lord, if I find favor in your sight, Lord, please hear my cry. I'm desperately waiting to be where you are, across the hardest desert, I traveled the earth for your glory. I will do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King. For your glory, I will do anything just to see you, to behold you as my King. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where. Oh, I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where you are. Oh, I wanna be where you are. I gotta be there. Oh, I wanna be where you are. Oh, I gotta be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where. Oh, I wanna be there. I gotta be there. Oh, I wanna be there. Peace is where you are. Love is where you are. Joy is where you are. I wanna be where you are. In that secret place, I gotta be where you are. I wanna be where you are. I gotta be where you are. There's a sound that is coming in my ears. Shamania tabarushkebe. I hear a sound in my ears. The glory of the Lord is in this place. The beauty of the Lord is in this place. The fire of the Lord is in this place. The power of the Lord is in this. This is God giving us assurance. The glory of the Lord is in this place. The power of the Lord is in this place. The power of the Lord is in this place. The fire of the Lord is in this place. The glory of the Lord, the glory of the Lord is in this place. This is God giving us assurance. The fire of the Lord is in this place. The power of the Lord, is in this place. The beauty